Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ratih Ayurganis. In this occasion, I will tell you about tips and tricks to handle the problem in seminar. Firstly, I will tell you about the definition of seminar. What is a seminar? A seminar is a meeting conducted by a group of people with the aim of discussing a particular topic and finding solution to problems by means of question and answer interaction. From the definition, we can conclude that the seminar activities are 1. A meeting held with a certain technical. 2. A meeting that is mass in nature or is followed by many people. And then 3. Meetings that are full of information and learning. And then the last is a meeting that involves a scientific discussion process and is beneficial or many people. Okay, now I have 5 problems in seminar and then 5 tips and tricks to handle it. Check it out. The first problem. The situation is not conducive because various guest background. And then tips and tricks to handle it. When the seminar invited 5 presenters, of course, the audience from different backgrounds. MC should be able to make the atmosphere not boring because participants will usually only focus on the material that suits their passion. When the situation is not conducive, then MC can permission to take over the time to invite audience to do ice breaking, so that participants will not get bored and dilute the atmosphere. Okay, the second problem. Audience can't hear exactly the sound from the stage. And then tips and tricks to handle it. Participants cannot hear clearly the voice of the presenter. MC should be able to see first that the problem is coming from nowhere. There are many factors can happen because of this. There are microphones used, the sound of the speaker is too small, or because of the noisy participant. Therefore, the importance of rehearse before the event so that the committee can see the capacity of sound product from the audio used in order to be heard clearly. And then problem number 3, the speakers have less patience in handling the audience behavior. And then tips and tricks to handle it. When the presenters deliver the material, then the participants are noisy. Of course, not all presenters can handle it. So the task of MC is to invite the participant to refocus. MC can ask the speaker to rest, then MC invite the audience to interact and invite them to return to listen to the material. MC can provide motivation when we listen to the material. Well, then we will get a lot of knowledge and useful. And then problem number 4. One speaker consuming time by presenting the material and can't be stopped. And then tips and tricks to handle it. Often when the seminar has many speakers, then we will limit the time for the speakers. However, when one of the speakers deliver the material out of the time, then all the rundown event will change. MC's job is to remind that the speaker time is up. When it does not change, then MC should ask other speakers to shorten the duration of time so that it becomes stable again. And then problem number 5. Your partner seems to be able to help with this situation. And then tips and tricks to this problem is, if your partner cannot help you in dealing with this situation, you have to handle this event by yourself, but must remain polite and not violate the rules. Okay, I think enough for this material. I hope all of you can get the point on this video. See you next time. Bye bye.